Oh man, I'm just sitting here, man. See, nice bed is too close. I love beds. Look at that. Where you going, buddy? I like beds, man. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Just keep walking towards me. Beautiful bed. I like it, man. Look at that. I want to go closer, closer, closer with the bed. Now it's going to fly away. It's going to take off now. It's going to take off. It's going to take off. Wants to take off. He wants to take off. Where is he going? Where is he going? Let's go around here, man. Let's go around here. We'll meet at this side, right? I like beds, man. Look at that. This side. Where is he going? Okay, he's going to go to see KFC over there. See KFC over there. That's where is he going there, right? You see KFC over there. He's going to take off. No, what's happening? That's going for KFC over there. I'm sure it's going for KFC over there. Let's see. I'll be shocked if it goes for KFC. Do birds eat KFC? Let's find out. He's gonna go there. No way. Let's find out. I'll be shocked if this bed go for KFC. Yeah, that's KFC over there. You see? KFC over there. That's KFC over there. Let's find out. No, it's not going for KFC. It's coming towards me. No. He's gonna go for KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken, right? Let's see. KFC. Come on, go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Look at that. KFC, here you go. I'm telling you. Wow. I'm speechless. There's nothing. There's no meat in there. No. What is he trying to do? He's eating pepper. Because there's no chicken in there. Still there. In Africa, bears, they don't eat pepper or KFC. In Africa, birds eat what? Worms, right? Where's he going? Now he's gonna go for the small bed. More alive. Where is he going? No, I'm scared. He's coming towards me, mate. No, he's gonna go for KFC. Whoops. What the hell? It's gone. Look at him. He's gone. He's gone. Top of that pole over there. You see him, right? That's him right there. That's him over there. That's him right there. Let's follow him a little bit. Wow. That's him over there. You see him over there? I wish I could fly. Too big to fly. But someday I'll fly. I see him over there. KFC over there. And that's him over there. Let's follow him. Let's see what happens if I go under the... Let's go. Excuse me. That's him over there. Yo, mate. Come down, man. Let's talk. That's him over there. This is a pole here. Where's the pole? That's the pole down here. KFC over there. Yo! Wow, I did try. That's it. Better over there. Can you see me? Can you hear me, player? That's it.